Yes, my name is Coach Mustafa. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the booking engine, compare prices of the booking engine of TravelPro and other booking engines. We have the best rates in the market. So I'm going to be doing a comparison between TravelPro booking engine for hotels and maybe bookings.com. You see, right now here in booking.com, I've put a hotel called Serena Hotel. I put the travel dates and everything, and you can see I'm having about I need to pay $189 for just one night. Same dates, you can see the dates which are picked here in Kampala, 5th and 6th. So I want to go to Travel Pro to see if I'll get something less than this. So I'll go and log into my backend Travel Pro. So you can pass through the icon here, this icon, to go to the booking engine. To go to the booking engine, click on that icon, our icon for Travel Pro. Then it will go to the main dashboard, the main website. There's what we call hotels and flights. Click on it. The moment you click on now, after clicking on it, please put in the hotel name. I want Kampala Serena Hotel, right? And the dates, I want to use the same dates, which is 5th, just one night. Then I search and I see how much they will charge me if I'm booking with Travel Pro. Now you guess, right now I'll be paying, I have 35 discount on this hotel. So I pay $164. And let's go back to booking.com. So you see in booking.com, look, look, they also give discount, but our discount is better. So here you pay 189, but for us, when it comes to Travel Pro, you are going to pay 164. So with Travel Pro, you are getting a whooping 35% discount. You see, so you can try out with your hotels and compare prices. Then we have the best product in the market. Then I'll go now to compare the flights, right? Now I'm here to on the issue of flights. Yes. So now on the issue of flights, let's compare. I put round trip here. So here I am on booking.com. I'm trying to book a flight from Kampala, Entebbe to Lagos, Nigeria. And you can see I'm putting in the details here on booking.com. So if I go and search, I'm traveling with economy. Yes, so if I search it, let's see the prices. You can see if you Rwanda Airway will charge me $450. Ethiopia Airway will charge me $464. You can see these prices. So what I'm going to do now, I want to check it out under Travel Pro. Thank you. The moment I go to Travel Pro, of course, I'll come back to bookings for hotels and flight. Yes, here I am. I said I'll go to the flight section. Then I put in Lagos to Nigeria. We had put was it 10th? Yes, 10th October, and we are coming back on 14th as one passenger. So let's search it here to see if you can save something on the air ticket. You see, now this is very, you can see the same Rwanda Airway here. You are paying 400 $32 with our Travel Pro. You see, but now if you come to booking.com, you have to pay 437, right? 437. Okay, let's see here. It has been 432. So the difference is like $5. You see, so still when it comes to Travel Pro, you save more. And if we search other flights like okay, You can see other flights like Ethiopian Airway 467, and here you can see this side is more expensive. So you can see from this one they are charging for Ethiopian Airway, they are charging about 481 on. So you can literally become your own travel agent with a Travel Pro. You can save a lot of money on air tickets, and if you go on local travel agency, they will charge you far higher prices compared to what you can save yourself by becoming a member of Travel Pro and just save on air tickets and save on hotel rooms across the world. We give far beyond even all hotels in the world. Try this engine with the hotels in your city, and look at your international hotels in your city, put them, go on the reception, go to the reception and ask that very room. You find that when you book with us, you'll be able to save like 30%, 40%, 50% in discounts. You see, all the hotels. So this is the product that we have that pays 2% per day. We help you save money on every booking. By the same time, the profit, we don't eat it alone. We share it with you up to 2% per day. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this helps you and your team. Thank you.